Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Galaxy Mobile Tech. Today, we have a Vigotel mobile phone. It is a keypad phone, and it has a PIN code on it. We need to remove the PIN code. We have tried many tools earlier, but none of them worked. So, we will format it using Avenger. First, click on Format. After selecting Format, click Yes. Then click OK, but before that, let me show you the phone. As you can see, it has a PIN code. I have tried many different passwords, but it's not unlocking. Now the phone will power off. Let me check it again. If the password is entered incorrectly 3 times, the phone powers off. Now let's turn it on again. After turning it on, we'll try formatting it again. Click on Format. As you can see, the password is still there. Now I will try to connect it. We have to connect it using one hand. The phone is now connected, and the formatting process will begin. The phone has been formatted. Let's turn it on and check. It has powered off again. Let's turn it on once more. I think the format process did not complete successfully. Let's try formatting it again. The password is still active. This time, let's select the second option and try again. I have reconnected the phone. It still hasn't been formatted. The CPU type is MT6261. Let's try formatting it again. Turning the phone on again. Trying the format one more time, still not formatted. Let's go back and select MT6261. Go to the Service tab and select Reset User Code. Let's reset the user code, turning the phone on again. Turning it off again. Then turning it on once more. I have connected the phone. Now it shows the code 1100. The phone has now been formatted and reset. Click on Reset Code. After this, it should be formatted properly. Now the formatting is successful. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.